sisters. Today, 18 February 2024, they have hacked my account. I just want to use this opportunity to let you know, guys, that they have hacked my account today. But inshallah, I will continue to be posting my qira'ah in this new account that you guys are seeing. The thing they have did to me, it will not discourage me to stop. Inshallah, I will keep it up. I will continue to post my qira'ah. And the person that hacked my account, I know you may be seeing me right now. Okay, inshallah, I'm the one. And I pray that God will bless you, bro. What you have done to me, I pray that God will bless you. Inshallah. You know, the thing I post in my page, I don't dance, I don't insult, I recite Quran in my page. And you still have a mind to hack the account. Wow, brother, you try. So, my guys, if anybody call to ask you money, or if you see anybody post another thing in the account, I'm not the one. They have hacked the account today, which is 18 February 2024. Inshallah, for this new account, I'll be posting my qira'ah there. Inshallah, I'll continue. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.